In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to Duda with HostPapa. This is a quick tutorial designed to help you seamlessly link your domain so your website can go live with its very own custom URL. Let's begin by logging into the Duda platform. To start, head over to https://my.dudad.io in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your Duda dashboard using your credentials. If you're not already familiar with your Duda dashboard, this is the control center for all your website building activities where you can manage all your sites efficiently. Once logged in, select the website that you want your custom domain to connect with. With your site selected, it's time to navigate to the settings. Click on the settings tab, and from there, look for the domain option. Now you will need to choose the option to connect a domain you already own. This option allows you to link a domain registered with another service like HostPapa to your Duda website. Enter the custom domain name from your HostPapa account and then click Next. At this point, Duda will provide you with two DNS records that need to be added on HostPapa, specifically an A record and a CNAME record. Remember to keep this window open as you'll need these details shortly. Next, in a new tab, go to https www.hostpapa.com/dashboard/ and log in with your HostPapa credentials. Once logged into your HostPapa account, navigate to the My cPanel section. Click on the link that says Go to cPanel. In cPanel, you'll need to scroll down until you find the Domain section, then click on Zone Editor. In the Zone Editor, find your specific domain and click Manage. You'll need to add the DNS records here. First, click to add an A record. Enter the details you got from Duda, which typically are their IP addresses. After entering each record, ensure you save the record. It's essential to do this step carefully, as any incorrect information could lead to connectivity issues. Once you've added the A record, move on to adding the CNAME record. This will redirect the www part of your domain to alias.duda.co. Again, remember to save these changes. With those records in place, return to your Duda dashboard, where you initially got the DNS information. Here, you need to verify the connection. Click on Verify Connection, or I've updated the DNS to complete the process from the Duda side. One thing to remember is that it might take a while for DNS changes to propagate across the internet, sometimes up to 24 hours, and that's it. You've successfully linked your custom domain to your Duda site using HostPapa. Now, it's just a matter of waiting for everything to sync up. If you encounter any issues, double check the DNS entries and don't hesitate to consult HostPapa customer support for assistance. Enjoy seeing your site live on your very own custom domain.